all. Hope you all are doing fine. In my earlier short, I have done this question, that is writing the expanded form 9x plus 2y plus z whole square. In this video of mine, I am going to explain the solution, how to solve this algebraic identity. Okay, by using algebraic identity. So here we have to write this algebraic expression in the expanded form. Okay, so the question is 9x plus 2y plus z whole square. Okay, so in this we can apply the algebraic identity a plus b plus c whole square. Okay, so here a plus b plus c whole square, the expansion of this algebraic identity is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Okay, now we will compare this identity with this algebraic expression given in the question. Okay, so on comparing, we get a as 9x, b as 2y, and c as z. Okay, now this what we have to do. We have to just follow this algebraic identity in order to expand this algebraic expression 9x plus 2y plus z whole square. So the expansion goes like this. So 9x plus 2y plus z whole square. Just we will follow this. Okay. So here a is a square. So here a is our 9x. So in place of a we will put 9x whole square. And here b is our 2y. So we will put 2y whole square plus c is our z. So we will put z in place of c square. That is, it will become z square plus. Now it is 2ab. So here 2 into, in place of a we will put 9x. And in place of b is our 2y. So we will put here 2y. Plus 2bc means 2 into b is our 2y and c is our z. Okay. So in place of this we will put plus 2 into a is our 9x, so we will put 9x into, and in place of c we will put z. So now 9x whole square. So we have to take out the square. So 9 square is 81 and square of x is x square plus the square of 2 is 4. So it will be 4 and the square of y will be y square plus z square plus. Now 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 26 x square plus 2 2s are 4 plus 4yz plus 9 2s are 18 and 18x. So here the expansion is done. Okay, expansion of 9x plus 2y plus z whole square by using the algebraic identity a plus b plus c whole square is 81x square plus 4y square plus z square plus 36xy plus 4yz plus 18xz. Hope you have understood the explanation well. So if you're liking my videos, then do subscribe the channel and don't forget to like my videos and share it as much as possible in order to support me. Thank you so very much.